Breastfeeding is ideal first food for your baby. It's tailor-made to meet the growing needs. It has all the vitamins and nutrients that the baby needs for the first 6 months of life. There's very few mums that are not able to breastfeed. It's usually if you may have underlying health conditions, but it's about 2%, 1 to 2% of the population. Ideally, you should breastfeed for as long as you and your baby are happy to do so. Hopefully for the first 6 months you'll be able to breastfeed and then introduce weaning diet thereafter. You'll know if your baby is getting enough breast milk from the amount of wet and dirty nappies that they have every day. Usually we need between 6 and 8 heavy wet nappies and dirty nappies, nice yellow nappies, stools. That can vary depending on the age of the baby. It's also to do with the weight, so you can take them to the Well Baby Clinic to get baby weighed on a regular basis once a month as your baby is immunised. And it's just a general, how's your baby, how happy they're handling well, so you'll get an overall picture that your baby's doing well. The difference between breast milk and formula milk are quite different. There's a misconception that people think that there's not much difference at all. But in actual fact, breast milk is tailor-made to meet the growing needs of your baby. It's full of all the vitamins, the nutrients, everything that your baby needs to grow. Formula milk is the same, it does not change to meet the growing needs of your baby. There's lots of support for breastfeeding in the Right Start team in Oldham. You can get support from your midwife, antenatally. You can also there get support from health visitors, antenatally, and when the first visit, at the newborn visit, when she visits you, around about 10 to 14 days. There's also lots of support from Home Start, who we work closely with in Oldham, and there is the messenger app that you can download, the Best Friend Messenger app, and local support with your friends, your family. You need a breastfeeding buddy that will help you along the way. You can also get support from the baby bistros. We have lots of breastfeeding support groups in Oldham, one in every day of the week. Ask your health visitor or midwife for more details of these. You can breastfeed at any of the children's centres in Oldham, any of the Right Start buildings, but we also recommend and encourage you to breastfeed in the local community as long as you feel confident to do so. Look out for the baby welcome stickers and signs in businesses, restaurants, hairdressers, dentists, gyms, and this will give you the confidence if you're not quite as confident when you want to go out and about breastfeeding. Maybe take a friend or your partner with you the first time you breastfeed when you're out and about, and this is just a little bit of moral support. You can access some more information on breastfeeding at your local children's centre by looking out for these Start for Life leaflets. This is a breastfeeding returning to work or study, which is really useful, and also breastfeeding off to the best start leaflet and building a happy baby.